Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. I'd like to say thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and if hit that notification button, we'll let you know when we've got some fresh videos coming out. Today we're going to do another addition to our Cooking 101 videos. Hit that playlist. We've had some comments about grilling, so we're going to grill some stuff. I've got a beautiful New York strip steak here. It's actually a nice creekstone strip, and we're going to do some grilling techniques. So let's go ahead and just get right started. I've got the grill already hot. You want to get your grill nice and hot. Good grilling temperatures are going to be about 450, 500 degrees, somewhere in there, but get a good going there and let it warm up. So I've got the grill going, and we're just going to season this up. I'm going to do real simple here. Got a little thyme and rosemary and garlic, of course a little salt and pepper, and that's about all you're going to need on a good steak. So I'm going to get this started. So we're going to do that, a little thyme, and again, pick the thyme through. We're just going to pull some of these leaves off there. And yeah, you get a couple little pieces in there, but that's okay. Probably for this one steak, one nice clove of garlic is going to work. Give it a little whack, give it a little chop. And we're going to just mix everything all right together. And this is going to, you want to marinate your steak ahead of time. You can do it for 2-3 days or a day or an hour. I'm just going to go straight with this. Whatever's making you happy on that. But this is really just about the techniques on this. So we're going to start with a little olive oil. All right. And then we're going to put some of our garlic and herbs on there. Make sure we're going to hit both sides. And then a little salt and pepper. All right, and now we're ready to hit the grill. So let's head on over. All right, so we got our grill all prepped up. It's nice and hot. You see where that is? We're just going to brush it off, and this is where you got. So give it a good brush to get rid of anything that's on there. You know, whatever grill brush you have. And if you don't have a grill brush, get a pinch or something happened to it, get you a piece of tin foil. Bunch up the tin foil. That makes a great grill brush. There you go. Nice little cheat. After you're done brushing that off, I like to go ahead and just take a little towel, or you could use a paper towel or more of that. But you want to get rid of the dust and stuff because you don't want that on your steaks or whatever else you're grilling. And this would work the same. And this seasons the grill up as well. So from there, then we're going to take our steak and throw that on there. Now, how long do you cook these? Really, it's about personal preference. We're going to let this go a little more on the first side than the second side. But this is we're going to go about 3 or 4 minutes on the first side. We're going to turn it 90 degrees about halfway through that. Flip it over, and it's going to be 2 or 3 minutes on the second side. You want to look for internal temperatures. Let's say 130, 135 for a mid-rare, 135 to 140 for a medium. So depending on how you like your steak, adjust accordingly. And we're just looking for some nice, good grill marks. All right, so we got that. We're going to give that a little flip. And if you were cooking this at home, you could close the lid. We don't have a lid on this. We're just going to let that roll. So that's going to be, we're going to give that another 2 or 3 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and flip it over and get it on the other side. And you'll see what I mean about getting those nice crosshatch marks. Give it that pro look. All right, I think we're ready. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, look at that. Beautiful marks, and now we're going to let that go for another couple minutes. And again, we're going to give it one more little crosshatch. And you can check this, check it with your, just check it by feel. You'll get a feel for that. You can also check those with a little probe thermometer as well if you want. And again, I think what you're looking for, depending on how you like it, I like mine sort of mid-rare. So I'm going to go for the 130 range. Yeah, and we're at about 98 now, which is perfect. So we're going to let that go, flip it one more time, and then it's ready to pull off. All right, now we're ready to give this one more little turn to get those beautiful marks on there. And then this is just me, but I think a little butter is good on everything. So we're just going to put a little butter, and that's going to soak on in there nice. Let that go. And this is going to be, because again, the second side doesn't take quite as long. Maybe another minute or so. All right, I think we're getting there. That is going to be about perfect. So that butter's starting to drip on there and melt. It's just going to soak in and make it delicious. We're looking at this, and that's going to be perfect. So we're going to let that go. And now you pull these off the grill. You're going to want to let them rest for a few minutes. Good rough estimate is however long it was on the grill, let it rest for about 20% of that. All right, we've let this rest for a couple minutes. Should be ready to go. Do that. I mean, if you want to give it another quick check, you can. We're sitting in that 129.5, so that is perfect. That's just where I like mine. Cook yours how you like yours. Anyway, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Hope this helps. Let me know what you think. Anything else you want to see, let me know.